Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we invited engineer Xiao to explain how to replace the damaged heating brick of the for EPS vacuum thermoforming machine. First, identify the malfunctioning heating brick using the touchscreen. On the touchscreen display, the temperature of the malfunctioning heating brick will be shown as 0. Each heating brick has a corresponding neutral wire and live wire. The neutral wire is wrapped in thin insulation material in the video. The live wire is wrapped in thick insulation material in the video. Disconnect the neutral wire and live wire corresponding to the damaged heating brick. Next, peel off the asbestos mesh on top of the heating brick to find the U-clamp shown in the video. Finally, after removing the U-clamp, the heating brick will detach and you can directly replace it with a new one. For more information on the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile. We will be happy to answer your questions.